Hey guys, I'm Kosta Kreativa, and after like 9 hours of wearing this makeup, I have to take it off. And so many guys asked me about my skincare routine, so I thought I should show it to you. And I'm so sorry for my background, I got so sick of this Christmas decoration I had going on, so I just took it off. Let's just jump right into the skincare routine. But first... Ooh, I always wanted to do that, sad that I'm not good at it, but who cares. Let's start getting rid of this eye makeup, and I'm going in with makeup remover. This one is oil water based, you have to shake it up. It's from Alverde, they are a natural cosmetic brand based in Germany. What I like to do is taking 2 of these cotton pads, soak them in this stuff, so boop. And now press them gently on your eyes so they can break up all the oils and the mascara. And just wait for some seconds. So just push gently on your lashes. Try to get them up a little bit. Get under them. And then gently start rubbing. Massage your eyes. And this will take off all of your eye makeup. And when they're clean enough, get rid of these eyebrows. Afterwards I take a third one with the same makeup remover and get rid of everything what I have on my lips. To take off my foundation, I really love to use coconut oil. It not only takes off your makeup, it also does a lot for the skin. Rehydration, some good oils, some vitamins. Just put it everywhere and start to massage it all over the face. Now let me wash this off with some warm water, and afterwards dry your face with the face towel. So be right back. So now gently tap your face using a towel to get rid of all the leftover water. After wearing all this foundation for a whole day, I like to go in with the mask to rehydrate my skin and get it glowy and healthy again. So this is a hydrationing mask. Just spread this all over. It's been 8 to 10 minutes now, and before taking off my mask I like to go in with the lip scrub because they are dry AF after wearing lip stick all the day. So I'm going in with a lip scrub I made myself. This is just sugar, coconut oil, olive oil and a raspberry lip balm I just mixed them together, and this works as good as the bought ones. So it's like $1 or $2 and 1 minute of effort. So love the stuff. And now looking crazy AF, just rinse it off with some warm water and be right back. After rinsing all of this off, I like to go in with some face tonic. I'm using the one from Alverde again. I like this one especially because it's a natural brand. It's with green tea and I think it does a lot for my skin. Now my face is clean enough to go in with hydration, and as first step I always use Fix Plus. It just rehydrates the skin very quickly. There are some vitamins in there which help the skin get healthy again. So I'm using a tiny bit of this to just fresh up the skin, make it look glowy and healthy and hydrate it. And just massage this softly into your skin. After your skin has soaked up like 90% of the moisture, then go ahead and go in with your face cream. I'm using the Sebamed cream. It is a hydration cream with vitamin E, and it does a lot for my combination skin. I have a very oily forehead, very oily T-zone, but my cheeks are kinda dry, so I need something which works for both of them, and this does. So I really like this stuff. When you have a combo skin like I do, then it's always important to start on the more dry areas to get most of the product there, and from there you can spread it in all the areas where you don't have to use that much hydration and creams and stuff. You could also try taking two types of creams, like oil-based cream on your dry areas and a water-based cream on your more oily areas. Afterwards, I like to go in with face oil. This one is by L'Oreal. This is a mixed up oil. It has a lot of oils, a lot of vitamins, does a lot for your skin, and it really helps my dry areas to not be that dry. So you need just the tiniest bit of it, and just put one drop on your dry areas, and this should totally be enough. Massage this in your skin too. And at last, go in with the lip balm to rehydrate your lips. I'm using the Daily Lip Conditioner by Blistex. It has there is some kind of menthol in there. It's a bit, it feels fresh on the lips. It just feels right. And always when I get like dry areas, dry patches on my lip, I put this on. Next day everything is gone. So this stuff is really amazing, and it's kinda only $1 or $2, so perfect. But let me mention the most important thing about skincare. It's water. And the very last step is getting rid of my contact lenses. So guys, I hope you liked this video or even learned something from it. That's my skincare routine right now. So leave me a thumbs up. Check my Instagram, it's Kosta Kreativa. I will link it somewhere here. And have a good one. Bye.